Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to export Microsoft Copilot responses to Word or TXT file. All right, let's begin. First, open the Microsoft Copilot app on your device and make sure you are signed in to your account. Once you are logged in, look at the top left corner and click on the menu icon to open the left side panel. This panel shows all your previous conversations. From here, select the chat that contains the responses you want to export. After opening the required chat, look for the arrow icon associated with that conversation. Click on it to reveal export options. From the available choices, select the Word option. This action will open a new editor window displaying the content of the Copilot response in a clean format. Next, select and copy the entire text from the editor. Open Microsoft Word on your computer and paste the copied content into a new document. Review the text if needed, then click on File, choose Save As, and select your preferred location. Save the file as a Word document. If you need a TXT file, simply choose the TXT format while saving. So that's basically how you can export Microsoft Copilot responses to Word or TXT file. That's it for this video. Thanks.